Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I made a video, and this is probably not the best light because it is 8 o'clock at night in the evening. But we still got a little bit. I wanted to show you just what my garden's doing right quick, and it's coming along pretty good. Again, I'm going to start over here by the zucchini and the squash and kind of work my way around. I'm going to try to make it a short video. And kind of the reason I wanted to do it this evening is because I'm getting ready to prune one of these tomatoes. I'll tell you about that. And I wanted to show it to you before I did it. So, yeah, let's check out these guys. You can't hardly tell if these guys had the crap beat out of them a few weeks ago. There's some remnants, some leaves, but they got a lot of new growth, looking really good. Actually picked a squash off this one yesterday. Got some more coming in down there. Yep. There's another one coming in down there. So got a squash off that. I got the zucchini. It's looking good. You see the part that's all beat up and stuff, but we've got a couple of them. That one's about ready to come off. It'll come off tomorrow probably, and then another one right behind it. And then the other squash plant over here has got a lot of shoots on it and a lot of flowers and stuff. So those are looking good. The flowers have all come back real well. You know, so when they got beat up, I didn't think they would come back like this, but got lucky. And the tomatoes, I'll show you those. We got some that are going to come off the vine here pretty quick. But these are the mushroom baskets. And on the middle one here, I've got the one on the bottom and a second and a third. And that's all I've got. But since we took the shade cloth off of these things have really grown a lot. Basically from here on up to here. And I've got getting some sets on the top of this one, some flower sets. This one I've got a flower set at the very top in the new growth. So they weren't getting enough sun. But this is the one I kind of wanted to talk about. So I have this new growth and the sets up top. And then I have all of these branches coming off all the way down. And it's not going to produce any tomatoes down here. It's not going to all of a sudden start making flower sets down here. So what I'm going to do is prune this thing from the bottom up at least probably 2/3 and just see what that does. And it's not going to hurt anything. So I'm going to do that one. This one here, if it doesn't get a flower set, and I don't guess I need to pull it out. I'll just let it go. But I don't think that one's going to do anything. I may take it out just so, it's getting some leaves that are not diseased a little bit down here and stuff, and I don't want that to take a hold and spread. So, but the tomatoes on the back are looking good. Got the ones on the bottom here, they're going to be coming off pretty quick. They're starting to color for me. Same on this one. Look at these guys. Look how pretty those are. And all of these on the back, the bottom sets, are getting ready to come off. This one, except for the one green one, I'll pull the other three probably tomorrow. Let them finish off inside. So cool, huh? You think that's cool? Oh, I don't want to let these neglect these guys in the middle. We're getting tomatoes all over on them, so they're looking good, looking really good. I just did some more tying up on these and pruned these up a little bit, but we're getting quite a few tomato sets on them. These over here, a little more sporadic, but this one's got quite a few on it down in there, so those are looking good. One of the big surprises is the ones that were in front of the greenhouse that I thought were going to lose them. I thought I was going to lose all three of them. Look at the sets on this thing. Those are pretty heavy. And like I said, I almost pulled these out. I've got a few on this one here. I got a lot of sets on the top and a lot of new sets. And I've got, I don't know, 3 or 4 tomatoes down here in the bottom. This one, I don't think I have any on the bottom part down there. Yeah, actually, I got 2 or 3 little ones down there and coming out on this limb. This one's got a few on it, but getting a lot of flower sets on all of these, so that's all good. And then the peppers. And the peppers they're still looking pretty ragged, but they got a lot of good new growth on them. but they're kind of compact. I probably need to come and thin this out some. I am getting some peppers to form on these though. Some of they had flowers, and the flowers are starting to make on some of these. Yeah, I think I need to just come in and clear and thin these out a little bit. That one not so much. And then on this side, these 2 bell peppers got quite a few. They had quite a few flowers on them. They're starting to make. I don't know if you can pick them out in there, but they're starting to make some. This one, same thing. Got a few down here trying to make. So they're doing okay. Jalapenos are doing really good for the beating that they took. I got some small ones down here on this plant. This plant, nothing yet. This one's doing pretty good. I got 3 or 4 down on the bottom, and got a couple 3 in there. So that's it for this one. I appreciate you guys coming by. I just wanted to give you an update, let you see what's going on. I should have done it a little earlier when it was brighter, but I'm getting ready to prune that tomato, and I wanted you to see it before I did it. Appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, kapuya, share, comment, all that good stuff. Really appreciate you guys. See ya.